If you think that the best personal brand niche is in business or if it's in finance, you are wrong, because picking a personal brand niche is a little bit more nuanced than that. So I'm going to share with you some of the steps that help me pick my niche so you can stop wasting time and you can actually start making some progress. So step number one, you're going to get a pen and paper and you're going to write down 4 columns, okay? One of them is going to be interest, the other one's going to be skill, next one is going to be profitability, and the last one is going to be enjoyment. Now moving on to step number 2, okay? Your next task is then to write down all of your interests and all of your skills on that piece of paper. Oh my gosh, this fucking wasp. But step number 3 is even more important, because with that list that you have just created, what you're going to do is qualify your niche. And this is just making sure that the ideas that you have written down are actually like a good idea to pursue in the first place, okay? Because if not, if the idea is shit, then unfortunately everything else is going to be shit. So how do you qualify an idea? Well, this could be you just going onto YouTube. It could be looking at Google Trends, using ChatGPT, just to make sure that there's a general buzz and a general interest around the topic that you've picked. Because if you've picked a topic that nobody's interested in, then good luck making some money. Now, through this process, if you find that the idea that you have is qualified and it's a goer, you're okay to, move forward with it, then from that point, you, my friend, have just found your niche. But here's the thing, your work is not done. Because although you may think you have your niche is actually too broad. And if you go forward with that niche that you've just done up till step 4, then your audience is going to be too broad. So what we need to do from this point is find a niche within a niche. I know it sounds like some weird trippy fucking Inception shit, but just hear me out. Now I'm going to give you an example. Okay, your niche is going to be a topic. Okay, for me it's weight loss, but we need to go further than that to make sure that we're targeting a specific set of people that have a specific set of problems. So for example, my niche, if you will, is weight loss, but my real niche is helping men in their 20s who have a bad self-body image lose weight and keep it off. Can you see how we've kind of gone a level below? So once you have your niche, think about how can I refine it, and how you've gone far enough, okay, so you don't want to be too niche, I think, is that once your topic sounds more like a set of character traits or a set of personality traits that a person may have, that is when you know when to stop. So again, my example was weight loss. That is a topic, but helping men lose weight who are in their 20s, okay, who have a crippling self-body image, who want to lose weight and keep it off, it sounds like a set of criteria for a specific person. That is when you know that you have gone far enough and you, my friend, have found your niche. So I hope that helps you out. I think we're gonna call it a day here. But before you leave, if you do want to know what the realities are of running a personal brand, kind of the day-to-day, then I would watch the video on screen, because I do think for somebody in your position, you'll find it quite insightful. So hopefully I'll see you on that one.